The 5-digit number 2018U, whose units digit is U, is divisible by 9. What is the remainder when this number is divided by 8? A. 1. B. 3. C. 5. D. 6. E. 7. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here is the key rule. A number is divisible by 9 exactly when the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So let's add up the digits. The digit sum is 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8 plus u, which is 11 plus u. For this to be a multiple of 9, u must be 7, giving 18. So the number is 20,187. Now divide 20,187 by 8. 8 times 2,523 is 20,184. And 20,187 minus 20,184 is 3. So the remainder is 3. The remainder is 3. The answer is 3.